Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to improve your glitch arts. Before we head to the video, be sure to leave a comment of what you think of this art form, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Uh, My channel name is Sage KO Arts, and yeah, be sure to follow me for more tips on how to improve your drawings. I do tips on how to improve drawings. Let's get to the video. Welcome guys, this is me in person. Today I'm going to teach you how to improve your glitch arts. So be sure to comment what you think of this video I'm going to be showing you. So yeah, I hope you learn what I show you, every single step I took to get the details of the glitch. So let's go get right to the video. So right here, we need to sketch down a very simple sketch, not compulsorily sketching something very difficult. You need to sketch that right for the drawing. I'm using a smiley emoji, which is really simple just to sketch down. So we've got the sketch down. In this case, you need to draw 3 lines to differentiate where you're going to fill in the dark spaces and fill in the different variation of colors. That's the first step. Fill up the empty space, which is the middle of the emoji. So silhouette, black, black, and the rest you should leave it empty for the rest of the colors to get into. So let's get to coloring, I guess. Coloring is one of the hardest parts in this glitch effect. So these are the tools I'll be using. Not much though. So in this case you need to vary the colors. You should start with the lighter color, which is the yellow, before going to the darker one, which is red. So yeah, I used the yellow for the first one and used red for the second, which is varying to the black, which is vice versa to black. So the same applies to the blue. You're gonna use dark blue for the beginning of the shade and use a lighter blue at the end of the shade, which gives it a glitch effect. That's the method you apply anytime you want to start a glitch from the beginning of the coloring. The color have to vary with each other.
Doesn't compare to the happiness that's just around the corner.
Let me know in the comments if you think this glitch art is actually messing with your eye, because to me it looks as if it's normal. I don't feel any glitch effect in my eye. Let me know in the comments what you think. Maybe your eye is disturbing you right now as you're watching a glitch effect. Just let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'll be doing more videos like this.
Compromise, compromise, improvise, improvise, reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters. matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?